second, baby. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back. So we got some packages from Telfar. So
hi vlog.
You don't see you, baby.
That looks so cool. Is a box in it?
Yeah. Watch it, baby. Watch it.
Can I help you?
Sure, watch your hand.
Huh?
Yeah, open it. Open it. Open it.
Open it. And I can open it.
Oof.
What happened?
That PVC.
Strong. You joking?
No, it's not. Watch it. Watch it, baby.
It's heavy?
No, not heavy. Wait.
I got it.
Thank you. Thank you.
You're welcome, mommy. Ooh, sorry, mommy. Sorry, mommy. Woo!
There it goes. This is the box, the packaging. That's how it comes.
Okay.
1 second, babe. Wait, 1 second. Alright guys, so I ended up getting 2. So this is so this says Melissa times tea jelly slide pink, but why is the picture black? Alright, let me see something. Oh, it is pink. These look humongous.
Hi, vlog.
You say hi, Jace.
Hi.
So I'm gonna try them on for y'all.
Mommy, I'm
Yeah.
playing with my superhero. I'm
Okay,
playing
baby.
Mortal Kombat.
So I currently have on my PJs, so forgive me. But I just want to try these on and give y'all my initial reaction. So my feet not done, so don't judge me. Back up a little bit. Don't mind my child grow up. Oh my goodness. Okay, so these are cute and they're comfy. I could have got away with a 7 though. I know they said to size up, but I think this is perfect. So how do I do this? So this is how they look on my feet. Super cute.
Jack jumped.
Alright guys, forgive me for the background noise because y'all know I am a mother. But these are super cute. They're so cute. And they're very comfortable actually. This is how the bottom looks. I love this. It's the packaging. It's everything for me. What it says on the inside? Oh, made in Brazil. I don't know if y'all could see that. And it says Telfar Melissa right here. I love this Telfar logo. I finally got them. So happy. So I not only was able to get 1, I was able to get 2. So let's open up the next one.
Mommy, I'm playing with my toys.
Okay, baby. So, give it a last look. One more look. So beautiful. Can't wait to wear my jelly bag. I already did the unboxing for the jelly bag. So for those of you who don't know, I did get the small and the medium. So I do have 1 medium and 1 extra small jelly available.
Medium for me?
Available for purchase, yes. So somebody could, if anybody wants it, let me know. So yes, let's get into the next one. For me, baby.
That's for me?
That's for me. That's girl shoes. That's not boy shoes.
That's boy shoes?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know that.
That's the next one.
How does came?
Leave it, leave it, leave it. I'll fix it. Just that the lid comes off. Okay. The PVC is, ooh, wow. All right, so this is the next one. There we go.
Come here.
It's the black.
Get over here.
Oh, it's not a shiny black. It's not a shiny black. I thought it was a shiny black. They're so cute. Watch it, baby. Watch it. I'm gonna use there. So cute. Oh my god. I'm so happy. So I didn't get the black jelly. The only reason why I didn't get the black jelly because I recently got my last bag, security bags, which was the patent black bag. So this goes perfect with it. So I didn't think I needed to get that bag. So yeah, let me try them on for y'all. Second, baby, 1 second.
You always fussing on me.
There we go.
I don't like those.
You don't have to like them. I like them.
Okay. So
These are them right here.
what's up, y'all guys? How y'all doing? Good?
Alright, excuse me.
Alright, I don't have to. Oh my god, I'm 917.
Alright guys, so those were both of the new Telfar jelly sandals. So there we go. So this is both of them. Show it to y'all side by side. Look at how pretty. Look at how pretty. Get this off the way. Hold on. Super cute. So I got them both in a size 8. So as y'all can see, both of the stickers are black. So I was just like, yeah. But one of them this one say pink. If y'all could see that, I don't know if you could. The pink is in there. And then this one says black. And the black is in there. So other than that, I love these. I definitely think y'all should get a pair. And they were only $100, which was the reason why they sold out in seconds. The first time when these dropped, they sold out in literally 3 seconds. So, I'm sorry, 3 minutes. So they just had to restock. And I said, yeah, I'm gonna be on my computer, on my phone. And I was able to get them, and then I was able to get these too during the restock. So these sold out fast, but the 8 sold out fast. But yes, guys, let me show you a little closer.
John Cage, the superpowered John Cage. Oh, they found a fight. Come. You can't get me.
Alright guys, so let me know what y'all think. I am a Telfar fanatic, so I had to get these. These are actually my first pair of Telfar shoes, and I feel like I got the best of both worlds. So I got pink, my favorite color, and I got black. I know black over everything, so I hope you guys loved my unboxing video. See you guys in the next vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Love y'all. Bye.
Subscribe to this channel. Bye.
Bye.